Hello friends, this is Rashmi Ranjan Patnaik and I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. आज हम 30 जून के कुछ करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये वीडियो आप लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. पीएम एक्सटेंड्स प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना टिल नवंबर 2020. पीएम एक्सटेंड प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना टिल नवंबर 2020. जो प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना है उसको पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने नवंबर 2020 तक कर दिया है. वो पहले जून तक था, उसके बाद इसको और 5 मंथ्स एक्सटेंड करके नवंबर 2020 के लिए कर दिया है. टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस इज ओवर 90,000 crore, 90,000 crore, and total 80 crore people to get free food grains till Diwali and Chhat Puja. 80 crore people benefited in this scheme. Next, Lazarus Chakwera wins president election in Malawi. Malawi's next president is Lazarus Chakwera. The capital of Malawi is Lilongwe and the currency is Malawian kwacha. The Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Kumaon's Musiari, Pithoragarh district. The first lichen park of India is in Uttarakhand and in Kumaon's Musiari, Pithoragarh district. Now CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat, Governor is Baby Rani Maurya, and the summer capital of Uttarakhand is Gersen Chamoli. Maharashtra launches largest plasma therapy trial, Project Platina, for COVID-19 patients. Now, in now situation, the plasma therapy is more efficient for the COVID-19 patients and for COVID-19 treatment. Maharashtra launches world's largest plasma therapy. This one is world's largest, not India's largest. It is world's largest plasma therapy trial, Project Platina, for COVID-19 patient. And this question is very important for your exam point of view. Please remember that Maharashtra launches Project Platina, a plasma therapy trial. The project cost is 16.65 crore. It is also important that the project cost is 16.65 crore. The CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshiyar. Now, Madhya Pradesh government will launch a Kill Corona campaign from July 1 to control the spread of COVID-19 in the state. Madhya Pradesh government launch Kill Corona project and Maharashtra government launch Project Platina. Under this project, a door-to-door survey will be conducted and test would also be done. Means Madhya Pradesh government started a scheme in which door-to-door survey and tested would also be done. CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. There is two schemes, one from Maharashtra and other one from Madhya Pradesh. From Maharashtra, Project Platina, and from Madhya Pradesh, Kill Corona. Next, India signs agreement with Bhutan for 600 megawatt hydroelectric project in Bhutan. India and Bhutan signs a agreement in which India signs agreement with Bhutan for 600 megawatt hydroelectric project in Bhutan. This project was totally funded by India, and the project is in Bhutan. So the pact is signed between India's foreign minister, who is S. Jaishankar, and Bhutan's foreign minister Tandi Dorji. So Bhutan's foreign minister is Tandi Dorji, and India's foreign minister, you all know, that S. Jaishankar. And the project is 600 megawatt project. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Prime Minister of Bhutan is Lote Singrin, and currency of Bhutan is Bhutanese Lungtrom or Nungtrom. So the currency of Bhutan is Nungtrom. PM of Bhutan is Lote Singrin. Next, Beyonce, the pop star, honored with BET 2020 Humanitarian Award for long-standing philanthropic work with her Bay Good Foundation. The Bay Good Foundation is Beyonce. So she is a pop star, and she also works for COVID-19, and for this BET 2020 Humanitarian Award is given to her. The award was presented by former First Lady Michelle Obama. So Michelle Obama was the former First Lady. She is the wife of Barack Obama. Former Germany footballer Mario Gomez retires from sports. So Mario Gomez now retired from sports. He is the Germany footballer. So International Day of Parliamentarian, 30 June. So International Day of Parliamentarism is on 30 June. So Inter-Parliamentary Union headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland, founded in 1889. President is Gabriel Cuevas Baron, and Secretary General is Martin Chungong. So Inter-Parliamentary Unions is an important question for your exam point of view. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, founded 1889. President is Gabriel Cuevas Baron, and Secretary General is Martin Chungong. Next, International Asteroid Day is also in 30 June. So United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, UNOOSA. So this one is important because 30th June is International Asteroid Day. So ये भी आपको याद रखना होगा that UNOSA full from that United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, that director is Someneta D. Pipo. The director of UNOSA is Someneta D. Pipo. Kannada writer Geeta Nagbhushan passes away. So Geeta Nagbhushan was a Kannada writer, and recently she passed away on 30th June. सो इसके साथ आपका ये सेशन ख़त्म होता है. आशा करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा होगा. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.